group of cat triggered a search that involved a police helicopter. It was spotted around 9:15 this morning. Somebody's making me laugh here. In fields near the B730 between the villages of Drongan and Cole Hall.
अबे गायें आ रही है भागती हुई बना ले एक शॉट में ये हम ही ना घुस जाए आगे
Hi. I made a friend. This is Reggie. Reggie is an 11-foot. Hi. Oh. Yeah, he's so nice. Look at him.
You just want to support him.
He's holding on to me
Yeah.
now.
Yeah. So you can support him, but and then yes, he kind of helps you out by grabbing onto you and holding.
Got it.
So
This is amazing.
All right,
Thank you,
yeah,
Deb,
this
so
is
much.
awesome.
oh, you're so welcome.
Yes.
Thanks for having us.
Now, if
Head,
you
not
want
this
to,
way. Not this way, not with the head, not this way. Can you turn?
I think he wants to give you kisses, Terrell. I could watch this forever. Listen, if you want to check out some of these critters for yourself, oh my God, come see. Look at that dog.
That is so great. Are they looking at that? Yeah. That's awesome.
And cats, they're not usually known for their love of swimming, but one feline in Northern Virginia is hitting the water instead of the gym in an effort to lose weight. Holly is a 13-year-old cat who dislikes the outdoors and other physical activities, but with encouragement from her owner and weekly visits to the Old Town Pet Resort. Holly has managed to lose 1 pound in 6 weeks. Stay with us, everybody. We've got a lot more to come.
You guys,
This is what you've been missing.
I told him that it was my first day anchoring, and the bird's laughing at me.
Yes, I guess so.
Oh my gosh.
Well,
What do we have here?
we have here, he is called a Latin picador.
Okay.
As you can hear,
How fitting.
they are native to Australia. And you can find them in all habitats. What you're hearing right now is
Keep killing bacteria for 24 hours, touch after touch, with Microban 24.
a territorial call. And this call is primarily dusk and dawn.
It's okay. Come a little closer. I'm going to stay over here by Joni.
Do they know each?
No, hold him tight. Hold him tight. Hold him tight.
I am.
Hold him tight.
I am.
All right,
I am.
you got it.
I am.
That's okay. All right.
All right, Joni, you got it. See that?
Alligator wrestling.
Oh, yeah.
How's your wrist?
I'm okay, but
You haven't had that workout since.
hold them tight. I was. That thing is strong.
I got
Joni, you all right?
I'm fine.
That tape, see the Scotch tape didn't. Oh, all right.
It held. It
That
held.
did.
See that?
I'm sorry.
All right. So.
Fine job.
And this cat has actually been entertaining us in the studio for about 15. Whoops! He's back.
I think I'll just hold on to
I think you might want to hold him for now. This is Mr. Miyagi. Sarah, take it away.
Mr.
Out,
Miyagi.
Mr. Miyagi.
He got his name because he meows a lot, not because he
Not
jumps
because
a
he
lot.
jumps so much. I think we overexcited him. We had this little tail thing that we had him getting excited over during the commercial break, and he just literally, we saw it coming, but we didn't know it was going to happen on live television.
Now to the story of a pig that is inspiring others. One pot-bellied pig has certainly endured his share of problems. Chris P. Bacon was born without the use of his back. Yeah, you have to read this story. We cannot. Oh my God.
On the New York Stock Exchange, prices were lower despite a late rally. The trading was very active. Ed Berger's coming up in just a few moments. The Dow Jones Industrials closed down nearly 2 points. An average share of common stock gained 4 cents. More than 37 million shares were traded. Well, tonight, our money reporter Ed Berger is prepared, I think, to talk turkey on
Earthlings, I have come to your planet on a mission to ensure you take care of
inflation. Ed?
Tony, you know, the current inflation problem has made it very difficult to get any bargains. Now, it seems appropriate that
That is Diamond. A couple had stopped at the Subway in Grove City for some lunch when they saw this little dog barking and honking at its owner to hurry up. The video was posted on Facebook. Turns out this is not the first time Diamond has caused a ruckus. The pup has been seen around town doing this.
That is hilarious.
Todd's about to lose it. But seriously, what a sassy dog.
Look, the boss.
This is why we can't show Todd pet stories.
Can I find this in Arlington? Oh, good grief, yes. Oh, boy. Let's see how long it is. Let's hold it out.
This guy is probably close to 5 feet. Texas rat snakes are going to be one of the largest snakes that you find in the Metroplex area.
Get this thing off me, man. Get this thing off me, man. God dang. What is this thing jumping at me for, man?
He likes you.
Yeah, I can tell, man. All right, let's try to get back under control. You didn't tell me the thing jumped. Well, God dang. Okay, let's try to get our composure here.
You're all right.
Yeah. So the Texas rat snake can be up to 5 feet long, huh?
That's right. Some of them can get upwards and approach 7 feet.
Hello, I'm Alvin Hall. I'm sorry, I know I was going to blow this. Okay, I'm ready. Okay. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Hello. Ooh, see, Many investment schemes sprang up to take advantage of this investment opportunity. One scheme promised investors a 50% return on their investment within 1 year. I think. Oh well.
Is HelloFresh worth the price? Absolutely. In the beginning, I was doubtful too. Until
One scheme offered investors a 50% return on their money within 1 year. To me, that would have been a warning sign. Nonetheless, 4,000 investors plunked down 20 million pounds, seeing signs of pounds in their future. Sorry, I know. Sorry. To me, that would have been a warning sign. Nonetheless, 4,000 investors invested 20,000 pounds. Sorry. 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 One scheme promised investors a 50% return within 1 year. To me, that would have been a warning sign. However, 4,000 people invested 20,000 pounds in one venture. And I went crazy. Several investment schemes sprang up to take advantage of this fabulous investment opportunity. Several schemes sprang up to take advantage of the financial potential of these birds. One scheme promised investors a 50% return on their investment within 1 year. To me, that would have been a warning sign. Nonetheless, sorry.
Okay. High five. High five. Oh,
Hi.
It's for you.
This is, of course, Dr. Kim Hammond and his friend Mikey. Mikey's like a toddler on crack.
This is Mikey. And I have to tell you, you know, Mikey is an emissary for our lakes and our oceans and some of the I'm losing my chair now. A rapidly disappearing ecosystem. And you know, Mikey can come to your house and you can can go see him. Hold on, Mike.
Don't you want Mikey in your house, everyone?
He'll come for a visit and he'll teach your kids a little bit. You can call the Falls Road Animal Hospital. They'll give you the name, but it's the company's called Party Safari.